Yeah. Anything to ask, anything to comment, anything to discuss?
So,
Yeah.
sir, you said to take a small video about the message like then, sir.
You could. That is what I suggested Rida at it very fast. But don't make it too formal like a lecture. It should show happiness. It should be casual. It should be informal.
Sir, can we do anything what we like and then just connect towards it?
Yeah. Anything you like and then connect to this. That could be independent and as if you were not in that working mood, depressed mood, now came out of it, maybe started cooking or maybe showing something, action into action, something like that. Anything you can.
Sir, I am a dancer, so I thought we
Yes.
should take a 1 minute something and then just say that
You are back into life.
Yeah, after that, it's like a paper and I tore it with happiness. Like that something?
Yeah, anything which shows that not madness, happiness.
Sir, I had actually prepared a short speech before the song, so will I be able to say that?
Tell me that. What is that? Let us do that.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Pallavi Prita Prakash. Today, I have a very special guest with me and he is Dr. T.P. Sachikumar sir. He is the reason for my inspiration to do this music therapy and all that. Thank you so much sir for your continued support.
Namaste.
I would also like to... Sorry sir?
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you sir. I also would like to thank Rida and Hari for inviting me to sing in this session. As a singer, we can get chances to sing for the public, but it's a real privilege for me from Dr. T.P. Sachikumar sir to sing for those in stress. One life is Zindagi, just enjoy it. So now I will be singing the song Lambi Zindagi from the film Dear Zindagi. Let's enjoy together. Sir, is that okay?
Good.
And sir, should I play the karaoke or they will be singing with me?
You can make all of them to sing because when you play karaoke, then you have no control. It is controlled by a format.
Yes, sir.
So, informal, joined, like a party or a get together is much enjoyable.
Yes, sir.
Siddharth is very serious. Swamiji, come out. Jadoo wala.
Sir, just one last answer.
Yeah.
So right now we're recording this.
See, everything what I do, I told you I record with one audio recorder. I have a method of screen grabbing. So whatever happens, I grab. Now Pallavi's is grabbed already with the full screen on. She has a shot. And also you can see I keep a camera here. A side camera. Are you seeing this? So I have got a GoPro which catches whatever I am doing. So it gives me a side view. That is how I am putting my side view and you on the other screen.
Sir, you know, how do I get? Sir, like the Rida and Hari all together invited all of us here.
Yeah.
So, like, the day we record that push.
It is there already. It is already there in the videos. If you look at it, you can see Rida and Harini. Harini had a dialogue with Pallavi, and then she is connecting to Dr. TPS. All that is already part of it. I think it's all filled up. Correct? Unmute and speak.
Yeah, everything is in there.
Everything is there now. Except there is only one small thing which is lost. Which I made something with the Siddharth and sent it to Aparna, but Aparna was not very happy with that, so she said she will rework on that. Otherwise, I made Aparna's reactions. But then probably I know that sometime I need that individual to sanction it, so I just left it there. And maybe that what Aparna is inviting Siddharth for this, I said there need not be a dialogue, you could just tell that and then added to that, saying that I have sent a message. That is also good enough. You don't take reaction from someone, you can just send it across. That is also possible sometimes. Yeah? Yeah.
Actually, she was not sure if G1 was actually a part of this. So today, like a few minutes before the meeting, she asked me if it's there, and then
No, you
I
can.
told
She
her.
don't have to work. If she is ready, she can come and join now. That and all can do later. So what could be the title? All of you discuss and decide. Debate across. Somebody should start immediate. I want immediate response. Don't wait somebody else will tell, let me respond to that. You should start and then.
I have suggested the title in our chat.
Sir, I suggested loving somebody.
Don't talk to me. You debate and then tell me something.
One life is much enough if you live it in the correct way, or something like that.
The title shouldn't be that long. Like it should be like a small thing. This could be a quote that we put in the thing, but we should like put some small title. I thought it was Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, but it's actually a movie's name, so it might not have its uniqueness.
Siddharth, take your hands away from the mouth. Especially during Corona, COVID, don't touch your mouth again. Unless your teeth is very bad. Show that? Show? Yeah. Mustache is little black, you can black it. Yeah. See, what is that which fills the drama? It's a digital drama. So what is that it fills the drama? Don't look at words, look at the feeling or what somebody carries.
It's a happy job.
That is at the end. What is it filled?
Oh, anxiety or stress.
Huh? Siddharth.
Live life. Live life.
What is it filled? What is that shown most of the time? The maximum number of things are
Anxiety and stress.
yeah.
Anxiety.
Anxiety and stress. All that together is called what?
Depression.
Frustration.
Tension.
All that together, one word.
Disease.
Huh?
Disease.
That is disease. And who got this disease actually?
Huh?
Who?
All of
See, all of you. Who are all of you? Supposed to be. If no disease, what could have happened? If no disease, what is that you will do? Or what is that you are? What is that you are originally?
Enjoyment.
What is that you are?
happy person.
Yeah, happy, enjoyment, these are all very minor words. If you just be happy, you keep enjoying. But there is a better word for that which you have to search.
So
We-
positive.
Yeah, positive, happy, enjoyment all together. Just now we got lot of words for disease and then we came to disease, which describes all that.
Sir, ease.
No, that cannot be just opposite of this. What is that you do? How do you want to work? That is what is lacking. What is lacking when you are diseased? So what do you show in Zindagi? What is that is expected to make you more active?
Success. I think.
So Harini's mic is making a lot of sound, I think. Yeah. Either close the door or keep away from disturbance. Yeah. Tell me. Come on. Words. I want different vocabulary from you. From which we will derive.
Success.
Yeah.
Zindagi.
Success, zindagi, all that together. What do you become at the end of the time? The starting is disease. What did you become at the end?
Winner. Winner
Winner?
of life.
Winner in life? Yeah. How do you win in life?
By fighting the problems.
How do you fight problems? See, there is a, I'll tell you in life, to get answers for most of the questions, how do a creative person think, keep on asking why, how, then you will end up in something, that is what is the gist. On different directions when you come, it emerges, converges into one. And that will be the best thing, which is a big message which diverges out in different mind and different style. That's how we name things. See, all my poetry names came like that only. I keep on asking myself a lot of questions, and then immediately it will come. Yeah, something else.
Bliss.
Yeah. Being bliss is like a ultimate thing, but how do you keep it up?
So you fight with confidence?
Yeah, with the confidence, with the bliss, all that Rida, Sri Lakshmi, Harini together will get that word. Which should not be like a philosophical word, it should not be like a mystical word, it should be like a practical thing. Disease is a practical word, everybody understands, right? That only will be caught by people.
So treatment?
Treatment? No, that is not happiness, that is not action, that is not success in life. Come
So
on.
do what you like?
Yeah, who will do what you like? Ask again, asking questions.
So a knowledgeable person.
So who gets knowledge?
A student.
No, what sort of student? Which sort of student will get knowledge?
Positive?
Yeah, who is positive? If you are positive, what will happen to your actions? See, I am only asking questions to think. You are all thinking. It should not much to the.
Positive, our actions will be good.
We want one single word which zero down to that. Not 2, 3, 4 sentences. Come on. Mysore.
So enthusiasm?
Yeah, who will have enthusiasm? Who is an enthusiast?
A child.
So life.
Child is not, life is not. Yeah.
A living organism?
Happy person.
Huh?
A very, very happy person.
A very, very happy, enthusiastic person. What do you call them? Who is into action always? That is what you are all. I want to call when you
Proactive?
no, when you have done proactive, when you are positive, when you are happy. We don't call. Eh?
Energetic.
No, somebody, Rishika told something?
Active?
Active, yeah, active. Another word.
Smart.
Rida said it, smart. You think all that word what you said can be put together as called smart, right? Is it not? Do you call somebody a bliss person? You will not call. That's not a local colloquial word, right? But we call somebody smart person. We will not call somebody, hey, she is a successful lady. She will not tell. We will say she is a smart lady. That is why she became successful. That is why we have to look at the root, which is commonly used, we are unaware. When we think, no, don't think too high. Such words will not be catchy. So who became diseased?
A smart person.
Smart become diseased, or diseased smart. Got it?
Yeah.
Smart diseased or diseased smart.
This is smartness.
Something related to that, can you think of? Which makes it so novel, catchy. I am not saying same words, I am only saying the concept, which may be much better you can. A joyful disease is also fine, but joy is not what we want. We don't want people to be happy. We want Sri Lakshmi go back to work with smart work, and we want the marketing personnel become smart. We don't want Sion to stop playing. We want he to be a smart player. We want Rishika to sell the product smart. We want doctors to be smart, correct? Yes or no? They are all diseased. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. I am not doing it just like that. I am teaching you how to be creative in naming something. Think.
Sir,
Yeah.
smartness is the key to happy life.
We don't want a paragraph. We want catchy two words. No cinema drama will have a paragraph as a title.
This smarten.
Yeah, we could do that later. But where are the other people? Sion, Aparna, Siddharth. Sion appeared and then disappeared.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Siddharth is there. Come on to video. Sion, Aparna is missing. Only Aparna is missing. Harini has got Aparna's number.
Yes, I do.
Did she give the original number in the video while telling the number, connect contact and all that? It should be fake number, not the actual number.
Yes, same from me.
Yeah, fine. But it should not go to your Sheikh Abdullah. He will catch us.
Sir, what about do it now?
Eh? We want diseased and smart inside that word.
Smartly diseased. I think. I don't know if that has the right meaning.
Smartness?
The disease is, the smart is diseased
Smartly.
or the diseased is
So
smart?
how about disease is equal to smart? Something like that.
See, for him a disease is smartness, but we want to prove the other.
Okay.
Yeah, Pallavi, song. I thought Aparna also will join, otherwise we will call it Khatam. That fellow left again. Sion. I want Sion also to be in song. That's why we delayed it. The discussion was put in between so that others will come. That is why Sion keeps staying there, okay? Don't run away. Siddharth also. Now Aparna, could you talk to Harini? Could you talk to Aparna?
Yeah.
She's
I'm
joining?
She's not online, but
I know she is not online. I have sent a message to her. Yeah.
Aparna,
Red eyes. Rishika, tell me, what did he say?
Aparna, don't keep drawing now.
She is joining?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we are just.
And I have
Hmm.
the true smartness.
True smartness, we said disease and smart, both has to be there. Because that's a major portion. The true smartness is good, but here we have maybe 60% is filled with the disease, discussions on disease, right? So who got diseased is the question. It is a smart fellow who got diseased. So they came out of the disease. Smart is equal to disease is wrong. Maybe smart came out of disease could be there.
diseased smartly.
So how about D to S? Like,
Coding.
yes.
It is like ABCD movie name.
Smart.
Correct? There was an ABCD movie, right?
Yes.
Where is Saparna? Sing.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Aparna, make them to sing, learn together so that it becomes one bit for us.
Sir, are we starting now?
Yeah, start. It's you to decide. Your job to make all of
Sir,
them.
shall I begin with the speech then?
Yeah, that is already recorded, but you could do it again if you want. Yeah.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Pallamukrita Prakash. Today I have a very special guest with me and he is Dr. T.P. Shashikumar sir. He is the reason for my inspiration to do this music therapy session.
Namaste,
Thank
Pallavi.
you so much, sir.
Namaste, namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your continued support. I also would like to thank Harini and Rida for inviting me to sing in this session. As a singer, we can get chances to sing for the public. But as for me, it is a great privilege from Dr. T.P. Shashikumar sir to sing for those in stress. One zindagi, one life, ek zindagi. Just enjoy it. Today I'll be singing the song Lovely Zindagi from the movie Dear Zindagi for you all. So let's enjoy together.
Aparna, face. Show your face.
Hi, 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 hi.
Yeah, sing along with happiness.
You have to sing along with me, okay? So let's start. जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय. जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय. जो दिल से लगे
उसे कह दो हाय हाय हाय.
जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय.
जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो हाय हाय.
आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो.
आने दो, आने दो. Action is important. Action is important. आने दो, आने दो. Yeah.
आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो. कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
जाने दो
दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट
Bye, bye, bye.
Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you
You zindagi.
Aparna, you're not showing. Aparna, put your hands like this. And then put it in the camera. Louder. All of you.
Love you zindagi.
Who is this? Yes, Satvika is not there. She could have left. Remove. Let me do it again because 2 in between is gap. So I removed. You can do it again. I want a good bit. That's why I'm saying. Yeah.
So from the beginning,
No, that love you zindagi with the, just now what you did. I will edit and put it together. Only that portion. So I want that to be very clear. Who is that? Yeah, now it's good. All of you are fine. Do it fast before somebody else ends it. Fast, Aparna, Sian, fast. Do it again. Aparna, do it. Hold the hand. Yeah. Repeat 2-3 times. Good. Got a good bit.
So shall I sing the next part?
Yeah.
कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं मैं थोड़ी सी बड़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी बड़ी है मैं थोड़ी सी बूढ़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी बड़ी है
Aparna's video has some problem or she is staying like that only? No movement.
मैं थोड़ी सी बूढ़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी बड़ी है मैं थोड़ी सी बड़ी
थोड़ी सी
थोड़ी सी तेरी है क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 आने दो मुस्कुराहट जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 लव यू जिंदगी
Love you zindagi. Love you.
Good.
Thank you.
So anything more to add? Anything to ask?
Sir, when is the last date to send the video, the last message video?
You do it today or tomorrow. Accordingly, we'll pull all of them together. It's almost 15 to 20 minutes now. It's a beautiful digital drama.
Yeah, it's actually more than 20 minutes when I put the original videos together.
Yeah.
But we have more messages to join, so it might be almost 30 minutes.
Should be too short. Don't make it too big. And just show the happiness and joy. Less of artificiality, more of informal. Yeah. It came very good. All of you did extremely well. I never expected that this will come like this. I connected
Thank
many
you,
things.
sir.
Yeah. Akash missed a lot because he is as usual lazy. Otherwise, he could have looped in inside, did not react. See, I wanted you to teach so many things in this. Now I am a professor in university here, in a private university called the KL University. It's a huge university. On 19th, I am talking on what a digital learning is exactly. I am saying the students have to drive the teachers. That is what I am going to tell them. Earlier, teachers used to give and then you used to take. And you can only cry in case if you don't get in the classroom. What do? Sir, 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 you keep on calling. And you have to drag their attention, right? That's what generally done in classroom. I keep saying it is like when you are sitting in a sadhya, a traditional feast. Everybody is sitting in a row and people will start pouring whatever they have in their bucket. That's how the teachers will come and put and pour whatever they have. And you start eating. And when you want something, you will call, please come, please come, please come, right? But that days have gone. Now today nobody gives, it's all buffet. So what do? You have to go to different counter and keep on asking. And if you like somewhere, you keep on going to that counter more times. Some counters you don't go at all. See, I did not add this in my discussion. Just now I am talking to you, I got an idea and I am going to put this. Got it? I wanted to tell you that I got something like this. This is what I am going to tell. But now what I told is which I never planned to tell, which I will add in my what I am going to tell. This is what is creativity. Right? When I speak to somebody, I become creative. So you need to have that sort of a situation wherein you have to get merge fast, move fast. The more you become active, see there were a lot of people. I left many people in between. I did not react. But some people have their own restrictions. They are busy something else, come into their way. They have classes. Karthi and all have classes, online classes. He is from Andhra Pradesh. So he will not be able to join. I know Diya has classes. In between also she is putting. That's why sometimes I gave less role to Diya, less role to somebody who has got, depends on their activeness or probably the way you react. Fine, so nothing wrong. Those people did not participate. They have their own reasons. Maybe some of their teachers also spoke to me saying that they are generally like this. I said I tried my level best to push them inside and pull them inside, but they did not do it. But you all have done extremely well. Right? So this is what I wanted to prove. You will get more knowledge, more participation if you are active. See, when I am telling Rida that this is too much of action, I look at young children, they have to be. But when somebody else look at it, I am sharing some of these videos to some people to get some comments also. You understood? So I am transferring those comments to you. I may like it because I know each one of you. But I want somebody else who doesn't even know you to comment. So that they will give a genuine comment. Because I love somebody, probably I will take liberty to scold. Or maybe I will love somebody too much. Whatever they do, I say it's very good, beautiful. Which I am not supposed to do it. Got it? So you have to look at yourself from slightly different point of view so that you becomes a critic of you. I know what is bad in me. Probably I am not able to. See, I just today got a message. One of my close friend or relative, the last week itself I was thinking I should talk to him, but I couldn't. It is Harini's father's sister's husband's father's brother, but he happens to be a close friend of mine, where I went and stayed in his house many times. For when I go to some programs, he used to be my host, but just now I got a message, he is no more, he died. I missed talking to him last week, which I was supposed to do. You don't know, if I think I should have done it last week, I will not feel that guiltiness today. Oh, I should have spoke. That feeling is there in me now, because I missed talking to him immediately. So always I keep believing I must do as best as I can do immediate. Yesterday, Sri Lakshmi asked, when are you going to meet? Immediately I said, you tell me your time. Correct? That's how I respond. I do that as best as I can. So you should also do that. That is the message which Aparna Okay. So we have done. So what you do is individually you record bits and then send it today or tomorrow. I'll wait for that. Aparna has to fill some few things. It could be a message or something. Siddharth also has gone. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Love you all.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
Kanika.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, thank you, sir, so much for this. Was my first time in a virtual
You are smart. You are
workshop.
good. You are
I
smart.
really enjoyed it.
Good girl. You are smart. Take care.